Good morning to everyone. I am Pundan Lal Sahu, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sri Rawatpura Sarkari University, Raipur. Today I am discussing about sheet metal working. What is sheet metal working? Sheet metal working is the cutting operation of metal sheet and obtain a desired shape and size of any object, just like washers, sheets, tub, bucket, utensils, and decorative items. Or is the sheet metal working? Basically, sheet metal working is the process of a long sheets required to cut in a different same size and different size of object as per requirement as per the requirement of the job is called sheet metal working. Just like a cup shape, dome shape, and washer shape, circular shape object required for the required for this operation. इसमें just cutting operation, uh, many more types of many more types of metal working operation is this working process. Cutting operation, bending operation, drawing operation, sheet metal operation. Sheet metal working is defined as the cutting and formation from on relative thin sheet of metal. Thickness of the metal is 4.0 mm, 1 by 64 inch to 6 mm, and thickness of the plate greater than the 6 mm. Operation usually performed as the cold working process. Sheet metal process is the cold working process because it is worked at the room temperature and pressure. Sheet metal plate products. Sheet metal plates metal parts of the consumer and industrial products such as automobile bonnets, uh, mud guards, aeroplane bonnets, seat covers, yes, seat back, railway cars, wagons, and locomotive bodies, form construction equipments, small and large appliances, office furnitures, rounding chairs, tables, decorative items, and computer and official equipments are manufactured by the sheet metal operation. Advantage of the sheet metal of sheet metal operation. First one, the high strength, good dimensional and accuracy, because one press a large number of production is possible in this process. Good surface finishing, other finishing operation is not required in this process. Relatively low cost, large quantities, economical and mass production operation are available in this working process. Sheet metal working terminology: punch and die, stamping and stampings, stamping press, stampings. What is punch and die? जस्ट लाइक जैसे हम एक पंच और डाई यूज़ करते हैं, उसमें जो पंच जो होता है और डाई, डाई में जो पंचिंग जो कटिंग टूल जो होते हैं वो इनसाइड मूव होता है. स्टैम्पिंग जस्ट मैकेनिकल टूल द परफॉर्म मोस्ट शीट मेटल ऑपरेशन. स्टैम्पिंग इज द शीट मेटल प्रोडक्ट. Three major cutting categories of the sheet metal process: cutting, bending, and drawing. This figure showing in this operation is called cutting process. Cutting, just like shearing operation. Shearing is the large sheet cut part perimeter or make a hole in the sheet. It is called cutting operation. Cutting operation is the one more process ending of the job. Finishing process is also called the cutting shearing process. And unwanted remove the unwanted material of the object, it is called cutting process. Bending is the process of at the end of the job, straight sheet or around a straight axis. Drawing, this is the cutting process. First one, the just forces is applied. Second one, the plastic deformation in the corner. Top side is the compress tensile, and bottom side is applied is the force, compressive force. After this, penetration is start, and then material as fracture occur. It is the called of cutting process. Shearing, blanking and punching operations. Shearing, three principal operation: shearing, blanking and punching. Shearing means depend on the first one figure is the single point cutting tool and inclined cutting tool, and third one is the 2 point cutting edge. Sheet metal cutting operation along the straight line between the two cutting edges, but here is the uh, only one cutting tool, cutting edges. Blanking and punching operation. Blanking, sheet metal cutting is the severed pieces from the surrounding in the stock, and cut piece is the desired part is called a blank. Punching is the sheet metal cutting similar to the blanking expert and slash remaining stock is the product. बेसिक अगर बोल सकते हैं ब्लैंकिंग एंड पंचिंग में क्या डिफरेंस है, जस्ट हम एक एग्जांपल दे सकते हैं। अगर हम एक कॉपी को हम जब पंच करते हैं तो उसमें जो वो पंच करने के बाद जो पेपर का जो टुकड़ा जो निकलता है वो क्या कहलाता है, ब्लैंक। और उसमें हम सीट को यूज़ करते हैं। और पंचिंग में क्या होता है, पंचिंग में ये होता है कि हम पंच करने के बाद सीट का जो राउंड शेप जो प्रोडक्ट निकलता है उसको वेस्ट फेंक देते हैं, और जिस सीट को हम यूज़ करते हैं वो क्या कहलाता है, पंचिंग ऑपरेशन। दिस इज द बेंडिंग ऑपरेशन। बेंडिंग ऑपरेशन इज द स्ट्रेट एक्सिस bend bending at the neutral axis. Bottom side is the metal is compressed, but outer side is the metal is staged, बोल सकते हैं tensile, and bottom side is the compressive process. Types of sheet metal bending: V bending and edge bending. V bending is the C shape breakage, and C shape, L shape, and basically V bending is used for the channel section materials. And edge bending is also uh, bend at the outside of the object, inside of the object. Just like first one figure is showing here, and the first top and bottom dice, bottom is the fixed and top is the movable, and force applied at the end of the object. It is called edge bending. This is the spring back in bending. Drawing. Okay, next class is discuss about drawing.